Hey guys, it's Brennan here from Tidewater Aerial Solutions, and today I've got the FR Sky Telemetry System Radio. This thing is awesome in my opinion. I've been running it for maybe 6 months now. Batteries last a long time. It was very easy to set up. I'll show you guys pretty much what you got to do to set the radio up to get it working with I'm using a beta FPV flight controller with the FR Sky version. I'll show you guys how to just get in there and do a quick little setup, and it's pretty easy. I did it for the first time without any problems. Alright, so now I'm going to give you a little overview. So when you buy the radio, you'll get a lanyard. I don't ever use it, but it's pretty cool. I wear it to work. Kind of makes me want to get out there and fly when I'm doing work stuff. So you got that. You get the lanyard. The batteries for this radio are extra, but what I did was I purchased some rechargeable batteries from Amazon. Got the job done. I think it was cheaper than the battery you can buy from Taranis on Amazon or wherever you buy your parts. Things get the job done. Yeah. So it's got all your basic controls. You got your throttles, sticks, you got your auxiliaries. For me, I set this auxiliary button up to arm. I set this one up for my flight modes, and the rest of them I don't ever use. You may find a need, I don't know, I didn't. The sticks, see how this stick will stay up or down whenever you let go, and this one springs. I call it spring back, so you can flip-flop. Some people like the throttle on this side, some people like the throttle on this side. I like it my throttle on the left because that's the way I learned, and it's natural that way for me. So I actually had to flip-flop them because this one had the throttle built into it. So instead of being throttle, I gave it the spring back, and all you got to do that is take these screws off, and there's two inside here, and then you just flip-flop the assembly styles. You'll see it. There's another video online if you want me to give you guys a little tip or show you how to do it. That's fine too. Just let me know. So you got all your normal radio features. I'll go ahead and power it on for you. One of the good features for this, and I'm pretty sure it's on most radios, is the warnings. So say your throttle's up like that, you turn on your radio and you're accidentally still in the arm mode. These warnings are going to tell you before you go past these two menus that you need to handle all that before you go past those menus, or else your quad might take off, or who knows. But it's a fail-safe. It's a good feature to have. So as far as page files are like your profiles. So I only got one, but you can split, I don't know, tons of them, more than you probably ever need. So I just have one. You can customize what you name it, and it will put the name right up here for you. Great feature. You got your battery level, you got your flight time, and then all these other ones. You can customize them, but I don't really use them for anything. But they're neat to have. Kind of nice one though is for when you're adjusting your trims. So you can see that they show you where they're positioned at on here. That's probably the only other feature I use in there. So now just to show you how to set up the bind. So you're going to hit your page button, or your menu button, which is the 3 lines, and you're going to select what build you got, which mine's the loop. And then you're just going to go down and you can turn off your throttle warnings and stuff like this in here if you don't like it. But the first setup they're going to have you do is the D8. Set that to D8, the mode. That's for tiny loops. And then you're going to go to the next menu down below that where it says receiver. You're going to select the B and D mode, hit OK. The radio will start chiming, second, just like that. And then you're going to leave that chime going, go to your loop, figure out the bind process for it. For this one, there's just a button you hold down, you plug it in, and then you wait for some indicator lights down here. And once you get the light you need, you just let go of the button, come back to your radio, cancel out the bind mode, and you're bound up, ready to fly. Other than that, everything else is kind of real custom, high level or low level type customizations. If you guys need any help or have any trouble, I'll be glad to help you. So other than that, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the radio. You can get them in any different color. This one, I like this color better than the white or the black. I think there's at least 5 or 6 different colors out there. But you know, you can get whatever you like. They even have custom faceplates, but I don't really care for it that much. I just wanted to use this one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe if you guys want to keep up to date with my newest videos. Alright.